Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Yaron Gabel and I am the Senior Clinical Education Manager at Young Innovations. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the contents of the VitalertKit Basic Kit, as well as describing the different features that are contained within the kit itself. The kit itself comes in a cardboard box and it is separated into two parts. The first part contains the kit itself, and at the bottom you will find all the contents that will be included within the kit. They will all be bundled up and sealed for reference, and then each of the medicines are going to have their own description and their own individual bag where you will see the dosage and the expiration date, the lot number, and any instructions that you might need when using this medication. The kit comes in a 16 by 14 by 3.5 inch red plastic case, clearly labeled to make it easy to locate and identify. The inside of the case has labeled plastic inserts for each medication and foam top and bottom to make sure the items can be quickly identified and do not move during transportation. In the central area of the kit, you can find our contact information to request refills as needed. Now let's proceed to look at the contents of the kit itself. The contents of this medical emergency kit are designed to help dentists stay compliant and prepared for medical emergencies and contain the following items: 2 diphenhydramine vials of 50 mg concentration, 2 epinephrine ampules of 1 mg concentration, 1 albuterol inhaler, 1 bottle with 25 nitroglycerin tablets of 0.5 mg concentration each, 1 tube of 15-gram oral glucose gel, 1 bottle with 36 chewable aspirin tablets of 81 mg concentration each, 1 Luer slip epi-ride type syringe which contains easy to read 0.1, 0.15, and 0.3 milliliters. 1 milliliter syringe with 27 gauge half-inch needle. 2 18 gauge 1.5 inch filter needles. 2 23 gauge 3/4 inch needles, and 1 ampule breaker. If you wish to learn more about how to use the contents of the kit or how to manage the most common types of medical emergencies, VitalertKit has a companion book that provides life-saving medical information for you and your staff and can be acquired separately from this kit. I hope you found the contents of this video helpful. For more information on these items, other products and services, please visit us at www.vitalertkit.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.